Alright guys, welcome to McDonald's Mukbang. Bro, Mashood, give discussion topic area.
Okay.
Why does Uday doesn't have friends in London?
Bro, I have friends.
You don't know. You just said you'd kill yourself.
Mashood, what's your type in woman?
What's my type of woman?
No, you eat chicken?
Yeah. Do you want a fucked up
Eat
answer or a
everything,
genuine
bro.
one?
Beef itself.
Good one.
Bro, you do
Wait, Asian in India as well?
Yeah.
beef is God. Bro.
Everything, bro.
What do you
No,
mean?
it's
In
in
south
Chennai
it's
it's
fine,
fine.
bro. Yeah, in south it's
Chennai.
fine. You go to the north part.
Yeah, if you go to like Delhi and stuff, they'll kill you.
Oh, Delhi also is fine. You go to UP. Yeah. But then they're the biggest exporters of beef in India. And they're UP. And they're against it.
Bro, you
Like
can't eat, but you can sell, bro. It's entrepreneurial thinking. You know, drug dealers don't use, they only deal. Bro, what if your kid wants to become a vlogger?
I'll support.
No,
Yes, sir.
I thought it's haram, bro.
I won't support.
Mashood and Shahood, who's most likely to get a girlfriend?
Me.
Should already had one.
Why, bro? No, but like from now on. Like, bro, you're a changed man, bro. You're not the same guy from back then, right?
What do you mean, bro?
Like, I feel like it's gone back. Like, he has become more happy in life, you become more sad.
See?
Yeah,
How do you know?
I don't know, bro. I see that spark in you. Bro. Looking.
That's a gay shit.
Like during like superhero week corona time, this guy was
This guy was?
depressed.
Depressed, yeah. What do you think?
I don't know. Yeah, I think so.
No, I'm a
I think so, him.
Yeah.
So
Hey,
what,
Sam,
what
Mashood,
happened to you?
Mashood.
No, ऐसे बात नहीं है. He's just going whatever he's saying.
Yeah.
He doesn't give a shit. Okay, explain your reasons, bro. Do I actually look depressed?
I don't know, bro. Maybe it's because you told now you don't want to be in videos anymore. I just translated that as depression. Because I was in a similar state. Na?
No, I'm
Bro, he
still.
has more friends than me in Dubai. I mean, like overseas.
Yeah, but like the fact that you don't have friends in uni and you're still happy, that's what like I'm like, whoa.
Because I didn't see your face now, so I'm more happy now.
What's gone wrong with you, bro?
Nothing. Actually,
Are you actually happy in Dubai?
in Dubai. Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it better than Kuwait?
No. Man, okay. What do you mean? The people?
Like life there.
Lives there.
So everything. People, place.
People there? No. I prefer my people and Kuwait. But the
Maybe that's
place.
only because you've spent a lot of time with the people in Kuwait. You know?
No, I think it's just like you're. I don't know. It's just you can connect more with people in Kuwait. You know.
That's because you've grown up here, no?
Yeah. No, it's because of the people around me as well. We have like a similar type of color, I guess.
What if you spend more time there? You think you'll also get there?
No, because the upbringing is different. Like I have made very good friends, but they're nothing compared to like you guys. Huh?
Damn, for real. But do you think I'm one of a kind?
No.
Yeah, you're a piece of shit.
There are many pieces of shit, bro. But I'm a very unique person.
Yeah.
So-
you're the log.
So you're comparing
That's a
yourself.
good- Yeah,
so
that's a
you're
good
comparing yourself to Hitler.
Bro, but Hitler was, I actually think he's a cool guy, bro.
Out of all the people, dead or alive, who do you want to be in your vlog?
In the blog.
Yeah, out of all the people.
Even like, do they have to be real though? Like, I wanted to say Tsunade.
No, it has to be real, obviously. Yeah. Not really not Boro.
I want Ryan Reynolds.
Okay.
Dead and alive, and you'd still pick Ryan Reynolds.
Because I think he'll be great for the content, bro. Ryan Reynolds is one. I want, I was saying some racist guy, bro. Who would be a good racist to have in the blog? Donald Trump.
Is he racist?
Off camera, he's a racist. Kanye West.
I don't think he's racist off camera.
Who, Donald Trump? You don't think he's racist?
No,
I think he's like I'm racist.
तूने टमाटर क्यों निकाला?
Like I'm not saying like he's so racist like he's in KKK or something, but like he's like us now. We're also racist.
This
Bro, I'm so racist. Super racist.
against who?
Not against anyone, but I'm just racist. No. Racism is not like against someone. It's just like when you see someone,
Yeah, prejudice.
you have like prejudice, right, based on the race.
Yeah. वो तो है.
Like, if you see, like for example, at night, yeah, and I see a black guy walking, I'm more likely to be scared than if I see a fucking Indian guy.
He's scared of his own color, man.
It's not wrong though.
But he's scared of his own color.
Yeah, then.
Scared of your own people.
Bro, you're like
Bad.
2 shades off me, bro. So you're fucking me. I think like Trump would be a good guy to vibe with. What do you think? Bro, you are fucking.
He's too personal. He's not too personal.
What do you mean?
Actually,
He's very close off.
he would be good if you suck his dick.
You should. For the content.
कि उससे अच्छा तो OnlyFans कर ले.
Nah, bro. That is not good.
It's hard.
Have you seen any of the recent interviews with Donald Trump? Bro?
I've seen
But,
like
but he is
some
right.
clips.
He is right. He was on a stream with Aiden Ross.
Yeah.
So
like,
you
bro,
are
I
right.
think he's so much cooler than like other politicians. Bro, I want to meet KSI and I want to roast him, bro. Cause like he's not the same as before, bro.
Bro, I don't think he's gonna give a shit.
No, but it'll be funny.
He's gonna be like, okay.
Bro, why are you such a negative motherfucker? This is why I think you become the president.
Bro, what in the heck?
Bro,
I'm just being real.
How is being realistic?
realistic is
Impressive.
realistic is not real. But like think about it, okay? Being real, no? If people were realistic 100 years ago, we wouldn't have flights.
You would have
Flights.
flights.
Yeah, because the guy that invented flights did not think like, people. He would have told people like we can fly from this country to another country. So they were like, are you fucking crazy? Just
No,
use
but
ships.
I'm just saying that what I would think would happen if you would have actually.
No, but that is being pessimistic, no? You're telling me it's never
but
possible.
that's my no. I didn't say that. I just said, oh, his reaction is gonna be higher.
Yeah. Why even put that into?
Bro,
the
that's
world?
just. I can't share opinions, huh?
You can share positive.
Oh, you're the
opinions.
black one. I have right. I have 4 shades of right.
No, but like, do you believe in manifestation, bro?
Manifestation?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Yeah, I manifest you to shut the fuck up.
Okay, bro. Let's talk about Suraj, bro.
What did I do, man?
Bro, save me from this. By the way, would you guys get married on the same day?
No,
Yeah, what about?
You don't mind? You save up on the costs, bro.
no, bro. I'd rather have like I mean, I have 2 different like special days instead of having one.
Oh damn, that's beautiful.
Why
man.
not?
Damn,
Why, bro?
that's beautiful. You have more days to celebrate. That's why.
Yeah.
You celebrate every single day, bro. Life is all about celebrating.
And he's depressed in London.
No, bro. It's changing this year, bro. Because this year I'm gonna make it, bro.
Come back.
You know, you have to go through the
You know,
pain.
if you do make it, you have to suck our dicks. Because we were the ones who motivated you.
You have to suck dicks. Yeah?
You have to suck our dicks.
Bro, if you explore that haunted building, I'll secure you.
Oh what?
I'm good, bro.
Really?
You want?
You know, getting laid is very easy.
Yeah. Well, why don't you do it, bro? Bro, stop capping, bro. You was way which is haram. Okay, you was become friends with me. It's also haram. Okay, what do you mean you're gonna get laid, bro?
No, that's a major sin, right? I don't want to get into specifics.
No, but who
Bro,
decides what's major, what's minor?
God.
But that's God's opinion.
Bro, तूने ये भी खत्म कर दिया.
तो ले आ जाके.
Have, bro.
Want chocolate milk?
Bro, I won't drink that. Bro, in London, I did not drink Coke at all.
Can I open this?
Yeah. I drank Prime, bro.
Bro, Prime is.
Oh my God.
Did you actually?
But honestly, I would rather drink Prime than Coke. Because it is the same price. And you get more. Bro, £1 you get like a can. £1 something. For £2 you get a big bottle of Prime. £1, 1.6.
No,
एक सेकंड जो बड़ा वाला बॉटल है कोक का कितना है?
No, the big one is you can get it. But like just for like one time drinking, yeah.
Kitna हुआ like 500 ml?
Bro, it's fucking crazy, bro. So a big bottle you can get for like 2.7 or something.
Okay.
This can you'll get for 1.6.
Okay.
What can what like 300 ml?
Like the normal can that we get, yeah, it's like 1.6. But the big bottle would be like 2.7 maybe.
So
So, but the thing is, like, I don't want to get a big one and then just leave it in the like outside, you know. Mama, Mabula la rega. What am I saying? Yeah. Okay. Bye.
It looks stretched.
Yeah, it's ultra wide, yeah.
I mean, Suraj, you didn't say share anything, bro.
I just prefer to be quiet. I don't want to get cancelled, bro. I want to say some fucked up stuff, but then.
No, say, bro. I'll just cut it out.
It's gonna be fucked.
Bro, like this guy comments under all my Instagram comments. He says N-word.
Really?
Yeah, he's like, shut up, N-word.
I didn't comment that.
No, you have.
When? It's probably long back. I don't comment all that shit now, man.
I haven't uploaded in so long.
Huh?
I haven't uploaded in a while, but like.
Oh, you're saying in the videos, yeah?
No, in the comments of the video.
Oh, in YouTube?
Instagram.
In Insta? Bro, I don't use that.
Bro, I checked
in
recently one video that did well also. In that one also he said, shut up, Edward.
Damn.
So bad, bro.
Shut up, man. I have video footage of you saying it so many times.
That's it?
So many times, bro. This guy says it.
I should delete all that shit, bro.
In past
All-
papers wale come in the podcast. If I say anything against him, he's like, shut up.
Oh, that's because you're pissing me off now.
Bro, but like that's fine. I don't piss you off like because I want to. I need to. But do you think I will make it this year? Because if I don't make it, I quit. And then there's no more of this.
Bro, would you give a corporate lifestyle a chance?
No,
What if you like it?
I don't think I will.
Why would? No, have you haven't even given it a try?
I've seen my parents do it. I've seen other people do it. Bro, to me this uni life is pretty much a corporate life where I'm doing the same thing pretty much every day, and I don't like it.
High school भी ऐसे था.
No, but like yeah, technically if I had to do high school for the rest of my life, I don't like it. At least with school, the thing was like you can't do
Okay,
much.
if you don't make it, then what?
I've got to become a secret agent.
Secret agent.
What is? You want to become a secret agent?
You
You're gonna spy,
can't
bro.
get a serious answer from this guy.
No, but honestly, like I've thought about it, bro. I feel like I'm gonna
Bro,
first.
you even thought about the YouTube thing.
Yeah. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. Bro, that's what I mean. I'm gonna make it. But just as like
Bro,
if,
you need to
what?
reorganize your goals
And do what?
and do like become successful by reorganizing.
No, okay, what are my goals?
Bro, okay.
Instead of getting
Genuinely,
like
no?
1 million subscribers in YouTube, which is much more difficult compared to when KSI and the others started, you should try doing it in either in TikTok or in
Bro,
Instagram.
TikTok is a shithole, bro. It's for cringe people. If you use TikTok,
Okay,
you
okay,
are-
the thing is, no? The thing is,
you not accepting.
No,
नहीं,
bro, you
तेरा
are
भगवान-
TikTok generation.
तेरा जो God है, he said to.
Bro, I'm an atheist. There is no God.
तेरा जो God है, he said to stick with the times. You're not sticking with the times.
okay,
That's why you're not supporting.
Bro,
what I
but
was
the time
saying
is shit.
what I was
You
saying
need to
is,
change the time.
you should link up with an actual like social media expert or some shit.
Bro, no, you have to pay them.
Yeah, exactly.
All they're gonna do is like, oh, do this trend, do that.
Yeah, exactly.
Bro,
It's
no,
ads.
it's not, and it's not authentic, bro.
Yeah,
Exactly,
bro,
authentic.
नहीं है, authentic होता है, bro. Okay, look, what I'm saying is that your thumbnails, your hooks, the editing, it
Bro, I
will
want
all-
to change that, bro.
Bro, the only one good video that is genuinely such a good video is the random strangers in London shit. That is the only like the
Maybe the
like,
videos are not
awkward
for
strangers.
you. Then
Oh,
you
sorry,
Boston.
Boston, my bad.
But maybe the videos are not for you, though.
Oh, that video was peak.
Yeah, that was good.
See, three
That was good.
opinions. ये ले गांड पे ले आप.
Yeah, I know that was a good video, bro. I fucking made it, bro.
Yeah, no function.
And how is the one recording, bro?
Yeah, and you were like, bro, stop this. Don't do it. Don't
It
do
was
it.
hell, yeah. That's what I think I'd be the only
See,
person.
Okay,
who-
but
As
what
in-
about the
as in-
lungi video, bro?
No, that
was
shit
ass.
ass. That shit
What do you mean, bro?
That shit ass.
No, but that was fun, bro.
Actually, the target audience was different.
Yeah, it was good. Like people in India liked it. So most of my friends I showed it to, they liked it.
They like
They liked it?
Yeah, they liked it.
Obviously, yeah.
Yeah, it was like
What do you
Tamil
mean, bro?
song.
Fucking
Yeah.
guy dancing like shoes in the middle of the road. You don't like it?
no,
No.
because we're not familiar with the
Lungi
music
dance and shit
stuff
like that, yeah.
Bro, it's not even a thing that like normal people do.
No, it is a song.
No, you dumbass. I'm saying that like.
What if I dance to some ABD Lon song you like?
Yeah, exactly. Yo.
Fuck, absolutely.
Bro, you should do that to Tala Anjum and Tala, you know. Yeah.
Who?
Bro, it's an actual idea.
What was the idea? Like,
Tala Anjum, Tala Yunus.
Oh.
Just put their song and do the lungi
Yeah,
dance. Bro, I'm
okay.
telling you, you're gonna get so much views.
Please do not.
I'm telling you.
Wait, what's it about?
It's just two guys.
It's like this upcoming Pakistani rappers.
Coming.
I mean, they have pretty big following right now, but
You know how क्या कहते हैं इंडिया का कौन है
Carrie Minati.
वो devil वाला,
Some singers.
rappers
devil वाला है ना?
Divine.
yeah something like
Diljit Dosanjh.
No,
No, like
he-
divine
he's
type.
Punjabi.
Yeah.
Divine
Bacha.
no Bacha is well
Oh, Hanuman Khan.
yeah
Hanuman
something,
Khan. Yeah.
so they're like
Big dogs. Yeah, big dogs.
same category rappers
Yeah, they're like कौन तला, oh yeah, तेरी गांड मार दूंगा, like that.
Is rapping halal?
Is what?
Rap.
No.
Is rapping halal?
Because
No,
like,
rapping,
it
no.
uses less music and it's more like rap.
rapping is probably halal if they like don't like swear and stuff
Yeah.
and if it's actually about good stuff then probably
But
but
what is good stuff?
Like-
And what is swear
Like,
word?
like you know, like yo, you should kiss your dad good night, yo, stuff like that.
But why? What's wrong with swear word?
I don't know, man.
it's
It hurts me.
negative
What big? No, but what is a swear word?
Like you.
No, that doesn't make sense.
You're an Illinois porta potty.
But it just means like dog.
You're a dog.
It is okay. You're a dog. Is that
Yo,
swear
you're my
word?
big dog, yo.
If I say like you're a dog, is that a swear word?
Yeah.
Why?
If you're saying you're my big dog,
causing
then
harm
no.
to someone else.
How am I calling him? This is my
Yeah.
friend. I know he's not gonna get hurt.
No, he's
I'm gonna get hurt. Bow, 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 bow.
Okay, if I say I fucking love you, I said fuck. It's a swear word.
You're saying I fucking love you.
No, I'm saying bro. I say like I love you, bro. But I'm saying I'm using fucking as an exaggeration term. I'm saying I fucking love you, bro.
Nah, it's haram.
But why?
Because fucking is used for in different
But
circles.
what's wrong with fucking? It means sex. Sex is a natural process.
Bro, I'm gonna have sex with you. Shut the fuck up.
Wait, what?
Bro, eat fries, bro. Finish.
अबे सूरज कहा ना?
Yeah, I'm done. I need some.
Yeah, I'm done. Eat.
चलते हैं हाँ.
I finished my mess.
You need to
Not
finish.
hot.
Tired.
Finish, bro. Eat.
क्या बोला तुमने सर बो?
Bro, I just said you have the spark in you, bro.
Spark into kill myself.